Hello, I'm Jo Garden and I'm going to put together 6 small hair armatures in a rapid video, just getting ready to do some kits. So here I have a load of wire I've already cut up for various different parts of the wire armature body. Enjoy!
Had a pair of legs that opened up like butterfly wings. Had a mad dog who wouldn't sit still. He went and hoed up in a room above a hardware store. Cried nothing there but Hollywood tears. Put a spell on some poor little butcher's girl who stayed like that for 27 years. He came home from the ball with a party in his head and an idea for a fireworks display. He knew that he'd be ready with a stainless steel machete, half a pound of Valentine's each day. He went and hoed up with a Salvation Army band, with dirty water from a swordfish trombone. Went to sleep at the bottom of a 10-killer lake and said, gee, but it's great to be home. California, with a fly swatting banjo on his knee. Lucky tiger in his angel hair, Ben's a dream was getting there, found him in a eucalyptus tree. Lieutenant got him a canary bird and skangled with every word, just to fill moonbeams in a song. He got 20 years from loving her from some Oklahoma governor, and everything the store boy does is wrong. Ow! Obituary mambo. Some say he's hanging on a wall. Some say they saw him down in Birmingham. Some say they never saw him at all. Some say they saw him down in Birmingham, sleeping in a boxcar going by. If you think that you can tell a better tale, I swear to God you'd have to tell a lie.